Many card holders have been asking me, Maverick, what is the best between the American Express Blue Cash Everyday versus the American Express Gold credit card? And that's why today I'm gonna be differentiating between these two credit cards, and possibly it's gonna be able to help you to make the best decision when it comes to you selecting the right credit card for your best interest. Welcome to this channel, friend. My name is Maverick. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time, and any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. Now let's head straight to this video tutorial. First thing, let's talk about the American Express Blue Cash Everyday, which is a credit card that offers you 3% cash back on groceries at United States supermarket on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1% are thereafter. It also offers 3% cash back on online retail purchases in the United States and up to $6,000 per year in purchases, and after that you get 1% cash back thereafter. Also, it offers 3% cash back on gas at any gas stations in the United States and up to $6,000 per year in purchases. And it also offers 1% cash back on other eligible purchases. Cashback is received in form of reward dollars and that can be redeemed as a statement credit. Talking about the American Express Gold Card, this one is up to $120 in dining credits, up to $120 in Uber Cash, and several other benefits that this card offers. Now, your gold card includes cover for emergency medical expenses abroad, travel accident insurance, and compensation for lost luggage and flight delay. You also get $100 hotel credits, baggage insurance plan, trip delay insurance, extended warranties. Now, that is it about these credit cards. Let's talk about the differences between both so that we can be able to compare each other. Now, the first one which I'm going to be talking about the difference is the Blue Cash Everyday. Now, the Blue Cash Everyday has higher chargeback on gas. Now, the Blue Cash Everyday offers 2% cash back on gas purchases, which is higher than 1x points earning rate on the AMEX Gold card for gas purchases. Another thing is that the cash back on other purchases. Now, the Blue Cash Everyday card offers cash back on other purchases, alright, at lower rates compared to the specialized reward offered by the AMEX Gold card. Now, the AMEX Blue Cash Everyday also has the no annual fee. Now, unlike the AMEX Gold card, which has an annual fee, the Blue Cash Everyday card does not have an annual fee, making it a cost-effective option for any card holder like yourself that might want to get into it who wants to avoid annual fee. Another difference is the cash back on everyday purchases. Now, you need to know the aspect of this difference is the one that favors the American Express Blue Cash Everyday. I'm still going to be talking about the one which favors the gold card, and after that we talk about which one is the best. Now, the fourth difference here which makes the Amex Blue Cash Everyday become more okay than the gold is the Blue Cash Everyday offers cash back on everyday purchases including groceries, gas, and other eligible purchases, providing a straightforward reward structure for you as a user. Another difference, which is the fifth one here, is the introductory offers. Now, the Blue Cash Everyday card may come with introductory offer such as 0% APR for a certain period on purchases, allowing card holders to make large purchases and pay them off over time without accruing interest. That is it about the difference between the Blue Cash Everyday and the gold, which makes the Blue Cash Everyday to be a top priority. Now, let's talk about the difference between the Blue Cash Everyday and the gold, which makes the gold become a top priority. Now, the first here, which is gonna be for beneficial for those who might want to consider the gold, is the higher rewards for dining. Now, the Amex Gold Card provide 4x points on dining purchases, which can be more valuable for users who frequently dine out. If you are the kind of person that you dine out a lot with your spouse, with your friends, with your family, then the Gold Card is a good choice. Talking about the second difference which make the gold card to be a better priority is the higher rewards for groceries. Now we all know that the Amex Blue Cash Everyday offers good reward on groceries, but when it comes to the gold cash, it has a 4 times points on groceries, and the Amex Gold Card offers a higher reward rate compared to the Blue Cash Everyday, which offers 3% cash back on groceries. Another amazing reason why the gold card is a good one is the Amex Gold Card typically have a welcome bonus. All right, it offers a welcome bonus to new card holders, like up to 6,000 bonus points offers, or even more. You also get additional benefits with the gold card. Now, the Amex Gold Card may come with an additional benefits such as travel packs, purchase protection, and access to Amex offers, which can add value beyond just the reward points. That is it about the benefits of the difference between the Amex Gold Card and the Blue Cash. And we first talk about the one that favors the Blue Cash every day, and now we just finished concluding the one that favors the gold users. Now let's talk about my opinion about both cards. Now, most users have decided to stick with the Amex Gold Card instead of sticking with the Amex Blue Cash Everyday Card. And below are some of the benefits of choosing the Amex Gold Card, because normally I'm gonna select the gold card. All right. So let me talk about my opinion because I select the gold card. So I'm gonna be talking about my opinion here and why I decided to stick with the gold card. Now the first one is higher rewards for main expenses. Now several users, including myself, our main expenses include restaurants, groceries, and travel, which are all categories where the Amex Gold Card offers significant reward compared to that of the Blue Cash Everyday. Now, with the 4% cash back on restaurants and groceries, the Amex Gold Card aligns well with user spending habits. The second reason why I decided to go for the Amex Gold is because of the welcome bonus. Now, several users have been considering to apply for the Amex Gold Card because it has a $6,000 bonus points offers, which can provide additional value upon signing up. This is also the benefit that myself and several others enjoyed when we signed up for the Amex Gold Card. Another one is the additional benefit. The Amex Gold Card offers benefits such as Uber credits, which you as a user can take advantage of since you use Uber frequently. If you use Uber frequently, then you might want to consider this because this adds extra value beyond just the reward points. I use Uber frequently, not all the time I take my vehicle, so I like to use Uber sometimes, and this is a good benefit for me. Talking about the flexibility also, which is the reason why I decided to go for the Amex Gold card. Now, why other users are considering other cards like the Blue Cash Preferred, many users, including myself, ultimately seems inclined, okay, towards the Amex Gold card. The reason is because it has a good reward structure and benefit, which offers flexibility and aligns with our spending priorities. So that is it about my opinion. And if you're to ask me, I'm gonna say I prefer the Amex Gold card compared to the Blue Cash Everyday. Now, to round this up, the benefit of the Blue Cash Everyday card makes it appealing for users who kind of prefer a no annual fee option. If you prefer a no annual fee option, then you can go for the Blue Cash Everyday. And if you also want to earn cash back on your everyday spending without the complexity of specialized reward categories, okay? But overall, while both cards offers reward on everyday spending, the Amex Gold Card tends to offer higher rewards rates on dining and groceries, along with additional perks and benefits, making it a more attractive option for users who kind of prioritize spending categories. All right. And the Amex Gold Card seems to be the preferred choice for me due to its reward structure, the welcome bonus, and additional benefits like Uber credit, and which complements my spending habits and preferences. and most of the users also will go for the AMEX Gold card. This is the major reason why they've gone for it. So with this tutorial, I think I've been able to let you know the reason why you should go for the AMEX Gold card, and I've also told you your reason if you want to go for the Blue Cash Everyday card. So this way you'll be able to select based on your priority, because the fact is that every credit card out there has their own benefit, but you just have to select the one that align with your priority. So in case your priority and taste is different from mine, and you are only interested in going for a card that has no annual fee and you can enjoy maximum cashback, then the Blue Cash Everyday is good. But if you want more benefits and you want to enjoy more, and you go for dining, groceries, you use Uber, then the Amex Gold card is the best choice for you to make. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card tutorials. And if you have any experience with these two cards, let us know in the comment box. Let's feel your thought. It's gonna help a whole lot of people out there to also make a good decision. And also you can help people by just dropping your comments and letting people know about what you know. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who might be seeking for a solution to this particular problem. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. I wish you the best of luck in your credit card journey. Bye.